the thought is energy and it's a vibrational frequency. But then the emotion is like the bomb that sends out the shockwave of that same energy to the universe, and it amplifies it and intensifies it so that the universe can correspond and say, oh, you've awakened that within me. Now I will give it back, because the world and everything is alive in God's creation, and spirit recognizes spirit. So yeah, I don't know. I think that's everything I
Well,
wrote.
yeah, and I love the idea of the character part, right? So it kind of goes in line with, again, something I heard on the same topic of, we don't attract what we want, we attract what we are.
Mm-hmm.
And so, I mean, you take any desire that a human might have, right? Whatever it is, whether it's a relationship, finances, career, hobbies, I mean, anything it is, right? And so when we desire these things, we will attract, by water seeking its own level, we will attract what our true character is.